Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Garrett.
I'm Melissa.
And we are the Leffersons.
And welcome to Vlogmas Day 16! So today for Vlogmas Day 16, we basically just have a huge Disney haul for you.
It's not huge.
It's not huge.
We just got some stuff.
We got some stuff. We bought some ornaments, like from the Disney store, from Boxlunch. We have some mystery pin boxes to open for you today, the Winnie the Pooh mystery pin boxes to open. I'm so excited. And we have a few Hallmark ornaments to show you as well. But we're gonna get started with the things that we got from Shop Disney. Why do I keep calling it Shop Disney?
Because that's what it is online.
That's what it is online. The Disney store. It's fine. Their Christmas ornaments were $8, and we need to remember that next time because I feel like we bought a ton of ornaments like right when they all came out, and now they're way cheaper right before Christmas. Remember that. So this was our first one, and it is adorable. It's Chip and Dale in this little snow globe type thing, because there's snow on top and they're sitting in snow, if you can see that.
And they're camping.
And they're roasting nuts on the open fire.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
And they're also wearing like decorative hats and scarves, and they're just so cute. And of course, if you don't know at all, I have a huge thing with Chip and Dale now, so I had to get this. So cute.
The other one that you picked out, all of these are Alyssa's picks.
Okay, but this one was so cute.
All of these are Alyssa's picks.
This one is Bo Peep and her sheep there, and it also has her lamp. It's basically like the entire, like what her actual toy looks like. I absolutely love Bo Peep from the new Toy Story 4, so I'm just so happy to have this. I love it.
So I kind of picked this next one because
yeah, you did.
I like it. So it's Merida looking fierce. She looks sassy with her arms crossed and her green. So this is like her just traditional dress throughout the entire movie. I love it. All of them were $8.
Pretty. Yeah, they were all $8. We don't have any Merida ornaments, so this is our first one. So exciting. We bought a few other things from the Disney store. We bought the pins. So they also had these little stocking stuffer pins that we purchased because we can't not. Like, it's just, these are perfect for us to add to our collection. We first got the grape soda pin for our up collection. So cute. I don't think I'm gonna take them out of the box. They're just open edition, $12.95.
There we go.
They're so cute. And then the other one, I love this one. This one I might need to take out of the box. We'll see. I don't know if it's gonna do it justice. It's Marie, and she looks super duper sassy, and it says, "I can't even write meow." I love it. I love it. She's so cute. Excited to add this to our Marie collection too. And if you can see, her bow has glitter embellishments on there. So pretty. Yay.
So as we were checking out, Alyssa's like, I want this pin. And I was like, then let's get it. So it is Mickey driving a train and the wheels spin. I didn't know that.
I didn't know there was the moving element.
Well,
that makes him even cooler.
Now you do, see? He's just chugging along to Christmas.
Chugga, 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 choo choo. And it's like a Christmas train because it's red and he's wearing a scarf and a Santa hat. It's cute. Another pin to add to our Christmas collection. We've really acquired the Christmas pins this season, that's for sure.
So that's it from the store, right?
Yeah, that's it from the Disney store. We just got a few things. And then we also went to Boxlunch. Yes. We actually went to Boxlunch with the Game Boys, Tim and Johnny. We'll link their channel down below and up here. We have a gingerbread house challenge coming soon on our channel, later in Vlogmas.
So as Alyssa said, we were shopping around and we found this can. It's from a series, what are they called? Soda Pops, okay? And there's a Eeyore on the front, but it says, collect all of them, but they don't tell you what's inside the can.
No.
And so we spent a solid 10 minutes trying to figure it out. Like we Googled it, and then finally one of the people that worked there were like, yeah, we opened one the other day on our Instagram. So we're like, let's buy it and see what it is.
We literally just bought it to see what it was, but Eeyore is on the can, so we're hoping that we get Eeyore.
This sucker was $13.
Yeah,
So we're gonna
it
open
better
it.
be cute. I think you're supposed to pop it somehow.
There's
I'm gonna
instructions.
Let you do it.
There's instructions.
All right.
I've already read it.
Garrett's done his homework. He's prepared.
Would you expect anything less?
Yeah.
I researched it.
Looked it up on Reddit.
No, I read it on the can. Pulled back, please.
I will.
Remove shrink wrap from container. Squeeze sides of container until lid pops off and plush pops out. The container is reloadable.
Ooh, fun.
We can put a bunch of glitter in it.
Oh, cool.
Push the inner mechanism down. All right, so we're gonna squeeze it.
I'm nervous.
And we'll see what happens. Are you ready?
I'm nervous.
3, 2, 1.
That was... I was expecting it to make like a poppy noise. Oh my gosh.
So there is this little guy just sitting right there, and there's confetti. So I think, hold on,
I think it was supposed to like spew out and the confetti was supposed to go places.
Yeah.
I don't know why you did that though, because now you just got confetti all over the floor.
I'll vacuum it. We got a new vacuum. So there's like little confettis in there, and it comes in all these different colors, and we got the...
It is Eeyore.
Orange Eeyore.
Orange is a weird color.
Especially... I didn't know if it was scented. I don't think if it is, it doesn't smell good.
He looks weird orange.
He looks constipated.
Yeah, he does look constipated.
Oh, there's an orange Eeyore. Well,
there's that.
That's what throwing away $13 looks like.
Right there, friends. That's what it looks like.
Moving on.
We also bought two ornaments.
This is a better one.
So we bought 2 ornaments. They didn't have Piglet, but they did have Pooh Bear. So here's Pooh. We're gonna take them out of the box. So we got a Pooh and an Eeyore.
Eeyore, we'll take them out.
And they're so cute. I wish they had Piglet, but they didn't have it. They also don't have it online, so I just think that they only did Pooh and Eeyore. But they're super cute, and the price wasn't that bad. I think they were $8.90, so that's not bad. But here's Pooh Bear and Eeyore. So Pooh is obviously wearing the Santa hat, and he's holding the little present.
Eeyore's hat's sparkly.
It is sparkly, just like the bow on my present. They're both sparkly. I like that. And they're super cute.
He got his little bow in his butt.
They're so cute. So we had to pick that up. I like how there's a wreath wrapped around his neck. That's adorable.
Because he's just a donkey.
We're gonna be adding so many ornaments to our tree. It's crazy. And then of course we got a lot of pins. Like
a butt ton.
They had so many Christmas pins, so we had to get the Christmas pins. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So these pins were buy 2 get 1 free. So they weren't like, I mean, we still spent money, but they weren't, too bad. And I'm just gonna start with another beautiful Marie pin. Look at her. She is so pretty. And it's kind of like a stained glass type of thing. She's just really pretty, and she's so pink, and I just love her a lot. So excited to add another Marie to my collection. Her eyes are so blue too. Look how blue they look in here. I don't know if you can tell. They look so blue.
And in keeping with the Aristocats, we have Toulouse, and he's painting. So this is a lenticular pen, so the painting disappears.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Turn it.
That's
and
fun.
It reappears. So yeah, there's Toulouse, and he's painting he's being a little artist.
You never see a pin of just him.
No.
That was cool to get. Fun, fun, fun.
And last but not least of the Aristocats is all of them. You got Toulouse, Marie, and Berlioz. It's French. We've established we don't know French, okay?
Yeah, we have.
Get off my back. But they are all decked out in their Christmas wear. He's got his Santa hat. She's got her little, what is that, a shrug on? He's got a bow tie.
Sure. They're so cute. There were so many sets of 3.
Are pretty adorable.
So this was another Christmas set of 3, and I'm obsessed with this Christmas set because, so it's 3 pins, but there's Pooh, and we have Eeyore, and then Tigger is a holding Piglet. So you have literally the whole gang, and if you can tell, like the red on all of them has the glitter embellishments. They're so sparkly and I love them so much. Yay!
And the last of our 3 pin sets is the little green aliens from Toy Story. And they
so cute.
have their little Santa hats on as well.
They look like they're singing Christmas carols.
They do, like they're all like,
They're so cute.
hark at the bells.
And the little green aliens, I don't know, I feel like I'm beginning to love them more because Aliens Rolling Saucers is like one of the best
That
rides
is
ever.
fun.
It is such a fun ride. And it gets overlooked in Toy Story Land, but it is a great ride. Comment down below if you agree.
And so the last pin that we got out of this section
Yes.
is of course for me. And it's Mochi and Baymax with a heart. Because they love each other. I wish my cat loved me.
There's a cat on his head.
I know.
Don't call him a cat head.
If you get that reference,
If you
please
get that reference,
leave
yes.
it down below because I did not.
The last thing we got from Boxlunch were all of these mystery pin boxes. We got 8 of them
8. Ocho.
because they are all Winnie the Pooh themed. It has never been a Winnie the Pooh mystery pin box, at least not that I have been able to open, and not since we've been collecting pins. So had to take advantage of opening all of these. They're just adorable. So if you can tell, most of them have Pooh Bear on them. Like on the top row, we have Pooh hanging on a tree, Eeyore upside down, which is adorable, and Pooh thinking about honey. And then in the middle row, you have another Pooh, and it looks like he's at Rabbit's house.
Is he stuck in a hole?
It looks like he's stuck in a hole, yeah.
Yeah.
Also eating honey. And then you have Roo, which I have never seen Roo on a pin, so that one's kind of cool and rare. Then you have Tigger upside down, and then on the bottom you have 3 more of Pooh Bear and one of Piglet. Why are there so many Pooh Bears? Like, I love Pooh Bear, but
Because
put some other characters on there.
Because it's called Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, but like, it'd be cool if they would have done like a rabbit. Why did they have to do, I don't understand why they did 5. Like, they literally did 6 out of the 10 were Pooh.
So we're opening these right now.
Yes, we are. We're opening them today because Vlogmas has been taking up our life and we have too many videos to do, so we're just doing it right now. I want all of them, but I know we're not gonna be able to get all of them.
You never know.
I think we need at least one Winnie the Pooh, and I'd love to get the Eeyore. I'd love to get every character.
So I opened mine first, and it's very apt that I opened mine first.
Is it Eeyore?
It is
Yay!
Eeyore. And is he supposed to be upside down?
Well, he's upside down on the back.
Well, I guess when he's not upside down. Let me show you him real quick. So that's him right side up.
I think he has to be upside down because see, like otherwise, why would he have his hands up like that?
I don't know.
What I mean?
He's Eeyore.
He's supposed to be like that.
He's just trying to get the blues out of him.
He's so cute.
Excellent.
Okay, that was a perfect first one. Let's see what we have next. We have a Pooh Bear, of course, and this one is kind of small. It's kind of a tiny pin, but there is Pooh, and he's walking on a log, or balancing on a log. He looks very happy. So cute.
Tis a silly old bear.
Just a silly old bear.
Up next we have
Oh no!
our first double, which is okay.
Our first double.
Pooh walking on, or bouncing on the log. Oh, I'm dropping pins.
Oh no. I hope this one's not a double. A new pin. We have another Eeyore.
I'll take all the Eeyores.
We have another Eeyore upside down. Oh no!
So, yay, a new one. Okay, so this
good.
is Pooh in Rabbit's hole eating. Of course, he's eating his honey. But he's stuck because he's just fat.
He's just a little chubby. All right, let's see what's next. This is another really big pin. I hope it's not Eeyore again. I hope it's not Eeyore. I hope it's not Eeyore. We have Roo!
Good, there you go.
Oh, I was really wanting Roo just because I feel like we never see Roo pins.
Is he on a balloon?
Oh, he is on a balloon. That's so cute. Yay! Okay, that was a good one.
We got another double of Roo.
Oh, that one might be a good one to trade though because you never see Roo. Literally never.
And our speed dash.
We have 2 more.
I could go for...
We need Piglet.
Piglet
And I'd
and
like
Tigger.
Tigger so that we have one of all of the characters.
The 100-acre wood gang.
Come on, let's get Piglet. Piglet. Tigger!
We're okay.
Perfect. We got Tigger. He's so cute and he's also upside down. hopping around, you know, as Tiggers do best.
And of course, we didn't get Piglet.
Oh no!
Another Pooh stuck in the hole. So we are on a search for a Piglet in the honey pot. If you have it, hit us up on the Instagrams.
And if you have any of the other ones that we didn't get, like, I think the Pooh thinking about his honey one is really cute. I also like the Pooh that is like in his little like sleep, his pajamas.
Yeah.
But he's cute there too. He's actually really cute with the balloon too. So if you have any of these and would like to trade, please message us on Instagram. We're gonna start trading come January, so
get ready.
we can like arrange a trade, but it's probably not gonna happen until after the new year.
Coming to your mailbox soon.
Yes.
Pins from the Leffersons.
All right, that was semi-successful.
The last 3 items are keepsake ornaments from Hallmark, and these were gifts, right?
Yes.
We got these for
Christmas
these from my family.
our, Garrett's family.
But it is a year of Disney magic, and it's Mickey sitting on 2019. Cute.
So cute.
And then Teacup for 2 has Mickey
take that
and
one
Minnie
out.
sitting. So you show that one.
And then we also have, so we technically already have this one, and if you watched our Decorate With Me, I already showed you this one. This is Eeyore and Piglet, which obviously the second that we saw that it was available, we had to have it. But we're happy with having another one because we'll just like put it in our background.
So this is the Teacup for 2
so
out. And they have like their hand on the saucer in the middle of the teacup that makes it spin. But I
That's
wish
adorable.
it'd be cool if it like actually spun, but
That
you
would
know,
be cool.
can't have everything, can
Can't
ya?
have everything. Here is a close-up of the Piglet hugging Eeyore's
Oh, he's
face.
so appreciative
He is just,
of the hug.
Oh, they're just so happy and friends. It's just such a cute one.
Put him back there.
We're gonna put him back here for the
Yes.
rest of Vlogmas, and we will keep him. Oh, they're so cute.
So here's Mickey in 2019 sitting on the 2019.
I like how the 2019 sparkly.
Ooh.
It's cute. And that we did not have a 2019 Disney ornament yet, so that was perfect. I feel like his parents get us, or his family gets us a Disney ornament for every year that has the actual year on it. So that's like a nice little tradition.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is our Disney haul. We tried to go as fast as we could. And now we have to open our pin advent calendar.
Oh my gosh,
and
yes.
then we're gonna end this video. So it's day 6. Is it day 16? Day 16?
That's what you said.
It's not in here.
Our pins are from Magic Launch Bay. They sent these over to us. I mean, we paid for them and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
And they come in these nice little blind bags that you don't know what you get. We just labeled each one with a day.
Yes.
And we open them up and we say ooh and ah because these pins have been
They have been
amazing.
so good. They've been crushing it. We will leave Magic Launch Bay's information linked down below. They have an Instagram and a Facebook. They do a lot of sales on their Facebook. They are amazing. And they send you pins from the international parks. Amazing. So
The backer card
Ooh.
says this is from Disneyland Resort Paris. And
Pretty.
it is Snow White. What's the prince?
Prince. It's just
It's
Prince.
just Prince.
Or Prince Charming. I think it's just the Prince.
not sure.
Comment down below if that's true, but I don't think he has a name. I think it's just like the Prince or Prince Charming.
So yeah, this isn't an Ellie or anything like that. There you go. You have Snow White and Prince. And this reminds me of Disney Kitty because that's like her favorite thing
It really
right now.
does. It really does. What year is it from? Is it older?
This
It
does
looks
not
older.
have a year.
Really? Interesting.
So the back is a sand back and it just says Disneyland Paris.
Huh, interesting.
No
I wonder, does the
trading or
backer card
anything?
have a date? Man, I'm interested to know when this is from. Because it looks like even like the backer card
It's
looks old.
Because it's like flocked. It's
Right, I'm
fuzzy.
wondering how old this is. We might have to look it up, or if you have seen this pin, or if you have this pin in your collection, comment down below and let us know what it's from or where it's from. Or obviously we know where it's from, but when it was made.
When it's from.
When it's from. That's so fun. That will probably go in our traders because we do not collect Snow White, really.
Nope.
But that's a pretty pin, and that'll probably be a good trader. So yay!
There we go.
Another awesome pin from Magic Launch Bay. Like I've said in so many of these videos, even if there's a pin that like we don't necessarily like, these are all gonna be amazing traders. So we can trade for pins that we actually want in our collection. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite item was of this haul. Also, let us know if you have those Winnie the Pooh pins and if you want to try it, because I would like to get some more in that collection. And subscribe to our channel for more Disney content and more Vlogmas. We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
See you later.